Hello YouTube and welcome fellow knife enthusiast. Today we're checking out a couple Twosun knives, one of my absolute favorite knife brands, and this is going to be the ts27 and D2. I think that's night morning. I'm not sure. Somebody can comment down below on the designer of this. But the only thing I don't like about it is it's not deep carry. You can only put it in your pocket about up to here, and then this much of it sticks out. Even if it had a deep carry pocket clip, still that much of it would stick out of your pocket, which is alright. Gives you something to grab onto. Really nice micarta. I've heard some people say that they don't like the Twosun micarta, but I absolutely love the micarta that Twosun uses. Really like the action on this one. Just like all Twosuns, really nice action. Thought I might be able to reverse flick it off of that, but I can't get it, so all you have is a flipper. Really cool blade shape though. Like the jipping they put up there, just a perfect spot for your finger. Really give you good leverage. Feels really good in the hand. Really good ergos on this. Milled liners. See the balance point. Perfect. Right where you hold it. Awesome knife. Can't go wrong with the Twosun. And I'm not sure on the price of these. I would like to say they're like in between 33, 36. So very affordable. Really high quality. You know, anytime you get a Twosun knife, it's going to be really high quality. And then the other one we have here is going to be the Twosun ts327. Awesome blade shape here. I can reverse flick this. It was, of course, all screwed up on video, but there's a ts327. Both of these are in D2. This one is a deep carry pocket clip, and in micarta. Micarta is definitely different than this one. They both seem to be like a burlap micarta, but this one is definitely different. I have carried this one on me. Most Twosuns have pretty thick blade stock. Both of these are pretty thick. They're usually pretty thick in the hand too. But awesome reverse detent track on this one. Extremely drop shotty. Have not taken apart or messed around with either of these. Can't quite get my thumb in there to thumb flick it, almost. To me though, something's real satisfying about the spidey flick, and when I can spidey flick a knife, which I normally can get this one a lot easier, just kind of screwing it up on video. Or when you pick up a knife you haven't picked up in a while, you might have to train your finger where it needs to go. But both of these feel awesome on the disengagement. The lockup is just awesome on these. Very, very comfortable to disengage the lock, which to me is always important on a knife. If it pinches your finger or cuts into your thumb, it makes it really not fidget friendly. This one's absolutely fall shut. Just gotta tilt your wrist and it's coming down and closing, don't matter what. Awesome detent track on it. Wish they would have did this full year thing, or this cut right here, a little bit different. They would have made it a groove. That would have been awesome. Then you could have easily spidey flicked this open. I'm sure there's probably people out there who could spidey flick it. Maybe if I messed around with it, I might be able to get it, but I almost like to say this one was 44 bucks, but it might have been like 36. I mean, for the price, you just can't go wrong with a Twosun. There are so many videos on Twosuns and people that just completely rave about them. So there are a couple people who don't really like them. Some famous YouTubers, they say they're too thick in the hand, or they use D2 too often. But I personally, I love D2. I think it's the best budget steel you can get. But just thought I'd do a quick review on the st327 and the st27. Let me know down in the comments which one is your favorite. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. When I get 100 subscribers, I will be doing a giveaway. And I'll be giving away this Activian knife that I put a mirrored edge on. Extremely sharp and slicey. I guess we could try these out. You can see how slicey that one is. Let's check out these Twosuns. I had a little bit of a hang up there. Who's the designer of this one? I like how Twosun a lot of times put their designer right on them. Huh. I have no idea who that designer is. K&E with a tree. Pretty cool shield symbol though. Felt like it had a little bit of a hang up. Nope. Let's try this one. Oh wow. That thing's like a razor. Never had a Twosun that was dull. All Twosuns come with one hell of an edge. Like a Benchmade. Benchmades all come, and Spydercos, they all come sharp as shit. But let me know down in the comments which one you guys prefer. Man, I think I prefer the 327 just a little bit more, just because I can spidey flick it. But the build quality and this one just feels more solid in the hand. definitely feels more solid in the hand. Something about this blade shape and this kind of point, I never would have thought I would have liked it, but I actually love this kind of blade shape and point for some reason. Maybe I've had too many Kirkshaw leaks over the year that I've broke the tip off of. Might be why I prefer these. I don't know. But man, it's hard. I love them both. I love how this one, you can spidey flick it. But man, I really love the ergos of this one. So I guess if you're still watching, we can compare them real quick. My favorite EDC knife, the QSP Penguin. And it's quite a bit smaller. And then we got the Ontario Rat Model 2. And this one I thought was a custom. And then I seen somebody else on eBay selling the same exact one. So I don't know if this was some kind of exclusive or something. But those are the only two I've ever seen with these scales. And they were the same exact scale. So this one isn't a custom like I thought it was, I guess. And then we got the Ontario Rat Model 2. Or Model 1, I mean. And surprisingly, both of these are about the same size as the Ontario Rat Model 1. Which feels like a really big knife in the hand. Awesome action. Alright, well, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and have an awesome day.